Hi everybody, how are you? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Well, you probably know that because you're watching this video on my channel. And this is Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toon ATC cards, which I am doing with Sabrina_crafty_journey. So go over and check out hers as well. We're doing 2 at a time to catch up. So this week is strawberry shortcake. I like the old school strawberry shortcake from my generation versus today's strawberry shortcake. To me, that just looks weird. But this is my little card. I did a background of strawberry shortcake land, whatever. I wasn't a big strawberry shortcake kid, so I don't know much about it cartoon-wise. So, and I know it's a little cat. I added some glitter to her. Shimmer, and she's dimensional. I think she's pretty cute. And then the next one is another one I really didn't watch. Shirt tails. So I just got a little image of shirt tails, and then I just blinged it out around the edges. So let me know which one of yours did you watch. Did you watch either one of these? Let me know in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.